Rongbong Terang LP School lying in deplorable condition. Good morning and warm welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Jirbon Kilingpi bringing you the latest news for this morning. And now the news in detail. Rongbong Terang LP School under Bukachan Education Block, which was established in 1968 but is plagued with numerous problems. The Education Department has failed to redeem the school despite so many schemes being launched for the development of government schools. Here is a report. The construction school building was initiated through MSDP scheme, but so far the work got stalled since the past many months and existing building is in a pathetic state with roof leakage. For over many years, students of the Rongbong Terang Government Lower Primary School have to cope up with poor facilities, and the old school building has no fitness certificate even to ensure the safety. Not only there is severe shortage of teachers, but the schools also lack the much needed facilities like furniture, buildings, pure drinking water, toilet facility, boundary wall, well-equipped classrooms, playing aids, library, kitchen room for the midday meal and other are still a far cry in the school despite the government claim to be Parivartan government. The local populace has urged upon the Education Department to take immediate measures for the revival of the infrastructure.
Kadak Rongbong Terang LP School long 1968 penaningkan pini nonjong BJP Sarkar ang cari det pen pisame banduri we lapen kijun alang misenda we den ben dex lahayu pisame kikom som siong lapen sumar bangge bang plikep hokep au sumar ke do same kang ni thai we thai ben sidak Rongbong Terang LP School ben kiduk kisung dolo lapen non het BJP sarkar long same kirap same along school ke do bom lo banduri war same pi bom lo den bek same pi bom lo same dak Rongbong Terang LP School long bangan anda den save
I deng pon lo laso MSDP scheme ke deng along stame alang li lada Rongbong Terang LP School long bangke alang li contractor mate alang li fan work order ke jakhosnia taru lapen alang li claim dek the dam thek thek pusinili dak nili mithanga rong pusinili chiparpu dun lo nili dokan porjonto chingki pen material hormu nili ramdam lo claim lo stame non punon ben apimena bang kavedet ajoini nili asapo kasik sak dokok.
Samson Intis report from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live. On Tuesday evening, a sudden heavy rain and storm along with hailstones lashed Jirikinding and adjacent areas of West Karbi Anglong district. Several houses were flattened and trees broken that created communication problems to the public. The rain had occurred at around 2 p.m. in the evening. The heavy rain was accompanied by storm and hailstorm. The house belonging to one Pangcho family was destroyed by the storm at a time when the children were at home. One of the children, Mensing Rongpar, told Karbi Anglong Live that he along with his sister had to hide under the bed in order to protect themselves from possible physical injuries.
Dimongkit hiray arve mat nitumta kichenga ko arve le ya direct hiray penti nang klub pit aman nitumta katong deksedelo
la hem tumon kijap hut nang tum hem mat sedula
nitumbang ini de
nang pe nang putum tuma ave
abang ave
nang tum la hirai kithela tumon kijap nang tum na sedula
nitum mehem marlu pido palong room du klip lo.
On the other hand, communication on the road linking Jirikinding with Pelangpi town was disrupted due to snapping of electrical wires caused by uprooting of trees and broken branches falling on wires. The exact scale of damages is likely to be much higher as news are still pouring in from across the hill districts. Samsing Intis report from Jirikinding for Karbi Anglong Live. The All Santo Students Union Karbi Anglong unit has come out strongly in condemnation of the young Santo singer Mary Hasda. They had alleged that the female singer had shown a great disrespect to the old seniors and forefathers of the tribe in her recent song which went viral. The singer had allegedly mentioned the name of the traditional god Marang Buru as Satan. On Tuesday afternoon at around 12 noon, the All Santo Students Union Karbi Anglong District Committee had burned the effigy of Mary Hasda at Parokwa, Horinapur, Majigaon. They also filed an FIR at Dokmuka Police Station which was received by SI Hiraj Jyotidas. The protest was led by the ASSU Karbi Anglong District Unit's President Joydip Soren, General Secretary Binoy Mardi, Education Secretary Rahul Soren, Karbi Anglong District Chakladar Pargana Mondolis Deben Soren, Parokhwa Maji Baba, Mohila Committee and several local residents.
3 তাৰিখে এপ্ৰিলৰ 3 তাৰিখে মেৰী হাজদা যেটো নেকি বাক্সা ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্টৰ তেখেতে আমাৰ সান্তালৰ যেটো পূজ্য দেৱতাক তেখেতে শয়তান আখ্যা কৰিছিল গানৰ মাধ্যমেদি যাক নেকি আজি ভাৰতবৰ্ষ নহয় গোটেই অসমতে বিভিন্ন চুকে কোণে থকা আমাৰ সান্তালসকলে ইয়াৰ প্ৰতিবাদ সাব্যস্ত কৰিছে আৰু তেখেতক আইনৰ যোগেদি তেখেতক এৰেষ্ট কৰক
तिहिन खन आरो नौकान सेरेंग सेबां नौका काहिनी जहाँ निके मिटे सिनेमा पे शूटिंग केदा ओना सिनेमा डिलीट मा आले पाठुआ साथ लेकाते माजी परगना लेकाते ना आले धिकार ले मोकना जते नवा को नेल नाम बांग लगे नको ऑटोमेटिक डिलीट मा आर नवा रिपोर्ट आले मीडिया जुगे के नाम लगे आर बिस जलंग बांग मेते खटो मचा गालमाराव इना रगे न्या मुचे दिन सलाम को जोहर के.
According to the organizations, Mary Hasda, a famed Santo singer from Baksa district, had uploaded a gospel song before the Easter wherein she allegedly condemned the Marang Buru, the traditional god of the Santo tribe. As soon as the song was uploaded on social media, public did not waste any time to respond and criticize her. Meanwhile, the singer herself, along with the lyricist Joachim Tudu, had come before the media persons and apologized for the slight mistake in the song. Samsing Ingtis report from Dongmukak for Karbi Anglong Live. Now those were the top stories for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and have a great day.